Did Joe have a problem? No, I can
So after y'all done with school, you plan on going back to East Cleveland?
I'm going where the job is.
The job is? Yeah. Yeah, that would probably be a better alternative considering the overall economic condition of Cuyahoga County.
So even with the development in downtown Kent, do you see it getting any better?
Do I see it getting better? No, I just see downtown development in Kent.
Oh.
Okay, the aggregate. That is not the aggregate. That's the frosting on the cake.
Oh.
So you can't really see the cake. But if the cake's good, it's got a good core. Like that frosting is all in all.
So Kent's core is good.
No, what I'm saying is Kent's core is different. Is a different material than the face it's put on because the face of Kent has changed.
Yeah.
And it's just like everything else, always kind of in a state of flux. That state of flux thing is. You can watch it through history if you study American history or even world history, but American history and specifically this area. You know, this was like the dirtiest part of America at one time. Probably still is.
That's what I heard Ravenna was.
I'm sorry?
I heard that Ravenna was partly like that too.
Yeah, Ravenna was basically you know what a brownfield is, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, like we're surrounded by brownfield over here. This is a big brownfield U. Okay, or I should say, well, actually it is a U.
Ready, Dan? I think so.
Hey there.
Hi, Tristan, my wife Bonnie.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Are you Kent local or are you visiting for the occasion?
Go to Kent State.
He's interning with Dean.
I was just talking to people with some name tags over there. Mandiolas, I guess he was like a vice president or something of Gougler. Fred's parents.
Yeah.
Yeah. They gave him a lunch.
Yeah, this is a big deal. A lot of history here going down.
Closer so you don't have to look through those wires.
No, this is okay. We're just close enough, believe me. I've been too close to too many explosions.
Now we know nothing started.
How many minutes?
One.
That's it?
Yeah.
Before it blows?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Sure you want to look through the wires in your picture? Get closer, you'll be underneath them.
Okay.
Getting ready to go down.
Here, let me get in here for a minute. Well, the wind's the right direction. I don't think we'll catch much dust.
Really? That's why you think no, hang on.
Hey, let's go blow something else up.
Yeah, that was quick, wasn't it?